Are you relaxed?
Yeah.
Straight.
You can help yourself, I'm sure.
Just relax. Keep breathing up. Breathe. Breathe. Great. Again?
Yeah.
Shift a little bit towards the outside. So this is a C7T1 manipulation. In seated. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Great. Perfect.